Good day, everyone. Welcome to our demonstration of setting up a small organization network using Cisco Packet Tracer. I am Nina Pamela Tibay,
And I'm Gusto Braluba.
and today we will walk through the process.
First step, open the Cisco Packet Tracer. Cisco Packet Tracer is a simulation tool designed by Cisco to help users learn networking concepts. By simulating networks, users can practice configuring devices and troubleshooting without the need for physical hardware. Second step, after opening the Cisco Packet Tracer, add a router, 4 switches, 6 PCs, and a server to build a network for a small organization. In these steps, we are adding the necessary devices to build our small organization network. These include routers, switches, PCs, and a server. Each device serves a specific purpose in the network infrastructure. Third step, connect the router with 4 switches. 3 switches are connected with 2 PCs each, and 1 switch is connected with the server using a cable. There are 4 different networks in this organization: 192.168.1.0/24, 192.168.2.0/24, 192.168.3.0/24, and 192.168.4.0/24. Now, we're establishing connections between the devices. The router connects different networks while switches provide connectivity within each network. Properly connecting devices ensuring seamless communication between them. Fourth step, give IP, subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS server to each PC and server in this network. To assign IP to each PC and server, click on each PC, go to desktop, and then click on IP configuration. Every device on a network requires an IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS server for communication. Configuring these parameters correctly ensures that devices can communicate with each other and access external resources. 5 step. Now, configure the router according to the details given below and then turn on the port status. The router acts as the gateway between different networks. Configuring its interfaces with appropriate IP addresses allows it to route traffic between networks effectively. 6 steps. Now we maintain the DNS server. For this, click on the server, go to the services section, and then click on the DNS. Turn on the DNS server. Enter any domain in the name section. For www.google.com, enter the IP address of the server in the address section and then click on save. The domain name system translates domain names to IP addresses, enabling users to access websites using human readable names. Configuring the DNS server ensures that domain name resolution functions correctly within the network. 7 steps. Again, click on the server, go to services, and then click on HTTP. Turn on the HTTP and HTTP services. You can also edit the index.html file, which will show then you search the domain you entered in DNS in the web browser. Enabling HTTP and HTTP services on the server allows it to host web content accessible to network users. This step is essential for providing web services within the organization. 8 steps. To check the connection between PCs present in different networks in this organization, you can use the ping command. Click on any PC, go to desktop, and then click on the command prompt. Enter the ping command and check if they're able to communicate with each other. Testing connectivity between devices ensures that they can communicate with each other effectively. The ping command is a simple yet powerful tool for verifying network connectivity. And the 9th step, click on any PC, go to the desktop section, and then open the web browser. Enter the domain or address you're given the DNS server, and it will show the index.html file from HTTP services. Finally, we're testing web access to ensure that users can access web content hosted on the server. These steps validates the functionality of our web services setups. Thank you for joining us in this demonstration by setting up networks like this in Cisco Packet Tracer. Students can gain valuable hands-on experience in network configuration and troubleshooting. Understanding these concepts is crucial for anyone pursuing a career in networking. Stay tuned for more tutorials and demonstration from our team.
So before we end this video, we need to simulation if the Cisco Packet Tracer is successful. So as you can see, the last status is successful. So that's all for today's video. Goodbye.